So here I'm about to weld this expanded metal on my gate so that my dog won't go out. It's already cut it to size already. There, it's already cut to size. I'm about to weld it on there. That's the welding machine I got. It's from Harbor Freight. Yeah. Got the helmet. Yeah. So we're here. This is how the gate looked from the front with the expanded metal. So now my dog can't get out. This one right here, this one will sneak out. That one right there, it would stick its head out then and come all the way out. That's the one. That's why I have to build this expanded metal. Now I just have to paint it. Not bad. Just gotta paint it. So here, this is the one that able to stick his head out before and able to come out when you want to come out. Now with this expanded metal, it's not coming out no more. So I'm gonna show you guys the tool that I use to cut off the expanded metal right here. So this one is a cutoff tool to cut off the expanded metal, and then after that I weld it on. Yep, that's it. That's how it look.